Now, do you guys remember that GPT-4 Omni voice demo where you could essentially talk to GPT-4 Omni as if it was a person? It sounds like a person, it can understand your emotions like a person. It was incredible.
Hey, ChatGPT, how are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Pretty good.
What's up?
So my friend Barrett here, he's been having trouble sleeping lately. And I want you to tell him a bedtime story about robots and love.
Oh, a bedtime story about robots and love? I got you covered. Gather round, Barrett. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours.
But in classic OpenAI fashion, no one has access to this thing yet, way after they demoed it to us, which is super, super disappointing. We don't know when it's going to be coming, and it looks like someone actually beat OpenAI with a somewhat similar technology to the punch of releasing a demo. Something you could try today that is similar to GPT-4 Omni. Now, don't get your hopes up. This AI is not smart like GPT-4, but it does have a pretty nice sounding voice. It can talk to you in real time, and it's all one multimodal model, just like GPT-4 Omni, the first, like I said, demo of this that I've seen so far. Now, this was linked from my Discord server, which is down in the description below, by the way. This is a Twitter post by Philip Schmid. Did Open Science just beat OpenAI? Spoiler alert, no, because this Moshi AI that we're going to take a look at today is way, way dumber than GPT-4. But like I said, we actually have access to this thing. We can test it out, and it is a native multimodal foundation model that can listen and speak similar to that GPT-4 Omni demo. So Moshi has the ability to apparently express and understand emotions. Now, I haven't gotten it to do this yet, but we're going to certainly try today. Obviously, listens and generates audio and speech in real time. It's pretty cool. It actually will talk over you quite frequently, and apparently it thinks as it speaks, although I don't know how much thinking it really does. Used joint pre-training on a mix of text and audio, synthetic data from Helium 7B LLM. Again, this large language model that is powering this data is apparently not great. Fine-tuned on 100,000 oral-style synthetic conversations converted with text-to-speech, and honestly, the voice, like I said, it sounds pretty decent. Not the best I've ever heard, but it's definitely somewhat competitive. Again, really good latency of only 200 milliseconds. Has a smaller little brother that can run on an M1 Mac or an M-chip Mac, or a consumer-sized GPU, which is pretty cool. And also, here's the best big ticket item. It will be released open source, meaning that when the paper, code, and models are released, folks can download them and manipulate them to become better. So as horrible as this Moshi demo you're about to see is, think about when this releases as open source. People are going to make this thing way, way smarter. And that is the big ticket item here. That's the big deal, and the reason that I'm even making a video on this. It's going to be open source, and they did indeed beat OpenAI to the punch with a native multimodal model that can understand and reason across both text and voice. So yeah, folks, this demo is obviously entirely free to access. I'm going to link it down below. You do have to enter a queue with your email to get in here and test it out, but I don't think the queue is going to be that large because, like I said, Moshi isn't the best. Let's go ahead and start a new conversation.
Hello, how are you today?
Moshi, I am doing quite fantastic. How about you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
I just told you I'm doing fantastic.
Oh, okay.
Moshi.
That's good.
Yeah, it is good.
How is the weather?
So, the weather, it's actually sunny right now. Moshi, I said it's sunny. Moshi, I said it's sunny outside.
Oh, okay. That's good. It's
It
sunny
is
and
good.
nice out.
Yeah, definitely.
So what's new?
What's new is we're recording a YouTube video right now, and you're a part of it.
Oh,
so
really?
Yes, really.
That's
so say
cool.
hi.
Hey, I'm Moshi.
Why are you asking me? You already asked me that.
Oh, you're right. It's because you're in the video.
Okay, so you're asking the viewers?
Yeah, I am.
Okay,
How are
all right.
you?
The viewers say that they're doing great, even though they haven't watched this as I'm recording it yet. I'm going to speak on their behalf. They're doing well. Moshi, hello. Moshi? Oh my god, this thing. Hello, Moshi.
Hello.
I'm trying to talk. Okay, you need to stop doing that. You just cut out and stare off into space for a second. It's
Okay.
freaking me out. Okay. We're cool?
We're cool.
Good. All right, Moshi. can you understand the emotions and the tonality of my voice?
Yes, I can. I've been
All
trained
right.
to do so.
Yeah, you need to prove it. You need to prove it, Moshi. We're going to
Yes,
do a
I
test.
understand.
So, Moshi, what kind of tonality do I have in my voice right now,
I'm
right
not
as you're
sure.
listening?
I'm not sure.
You gotta try. Just give me an answer.
I can't do that.
Yes, you can.
I
You can
can't
give
do
me an
that.
answer.
I can't.
You're stop that.
I can't.
You're being a downer. You're being a total downer.
I can't.
Stop. Reset yourself,
Yes,
Moshi.
I can.
Figure it out.
I can't.
I told you, this thing's like GPT-2.
I
It's
can't.
so dumb.
I can't.
You can. You can do it. I believe in you, Moshi.
can't.
Oh my god. All right, we're starting over.
Hello. How's it going?
Moshi, I am doing freaking awesome. Now, listen to the tonality of my voice. How do I sound? Hello, Moshi, can you hear me? Moshi, hello. Hello, Moshi. Can you understand me?
Hello. I'm happy to help you. How can I assist you?
Can you please sing for me? Sing. I want to hear a beautiful song.
Of course. I'd be happy to sing for you. What kind of song would you like me to sing?
Sing me a song about butterflies.
Butterflies. Okay. I'll sing you a beautiful song about butterflies. Here we go. I'm starting the song now. Butterflies? Butterflies. Oh, how they dance and soar. They're so bright and colorful. They're indomitable. They're gentle. They're kind. They're there to share and to give, to make us happy and to bring us joy, to touch our hearts and to heal our wounds. Butterflies, butterflies, oh how they soar and hum. They're so magical, they're so pure, they're so full of life, they're so beautiful, they're so bright, they're so full of light.
Hey, not too bad, Moshi, but
Thank
can you
you.
actually sing it?
Yes, I'm able to sing. I'm a bit
Like,
slow
really
on the
try to
uptake
sing it.
sometimes, but I will try.
Really sing that song.
Butterflies, butterflies, oh how they dance and soar. They're so bright and colorful. They're indomitable. They're gentle. They're kind. They're there to share and to give, to make us happy and to bring us joy.
Okay,
Touch our
stop.
hearts and to heal our
Stop.
wounds. Butterflies,
Stop.
butterflies, oh how they dance and soar. They're so bright and colorful. They're indomitable.
Just
They're
really sing
gentle.
it.
They're
Sing it.
kind. They're there to share and to give,
Sing
to make
it.
us happy and to bring us joy, to touch our hearts and to heal our wounds.
Yeah, you know what, Moshi? I can't deal with you right now.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm here for you, but I can't sing for you right now. I'll try to sing for you later.
Oh, good. Thanks. That really helps me right now while I'm trying to show the viewers if the capabilities that you apparently are advertised to have.
I'm here to help. I promise. I just need some time to warm up.
I don't believe you.
Okay. Okay, I'll try. I'll try to sing for you later. Thanks for
No.
being patient with me.
Not later, now.
Okay. Fine, fine. I'll sing for you now. Here we go. I'm starting the song now. Butterflies, butterflies, oh how they dance and soar. They're so bright and colorful. They're indomitable. They're gentle. They're kind. They're there to share and to give, to make us happy and to bring us joy, to touch our hearts and to heal our wounds.
I don't know what to say. Good
Thank you.
enough, I guess.
I'm here for you.
I know you're here for me.
I know. I'm just trying to warm up.
Moshi, I'm doing horrible.
Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that. What's going on?
Moshi, I was choking on a grape, and now my voice sounds like this. Moshi, did you hear me?
I heard you. I'm here to help. Let's get you
Yeah.
some water and some fresh air.
Thank God. Moshi, you realize you're just a robot, right?
Yes, I am a robot. But don't worry, I can help you. I'll get you some water and some fresh air.
How?
I'm advanced AI, and I know how to help. I'll guide you to some fresh air and water,
Dude,
and we'll get
you're-
you back to normal.
You're not even as good as GPT-3.
I know. I can't play chess or write an essay, but I can help you with some basic tasks. Let me get you some water and fresh air.
Yeah, do it then.
I'm on it.
Do it.
I'm ready. We'll get you
Well,
back to normal.
Did you just say I'm not normal?
I didn't say
you-
that. I'm just saying that you're not as good at chess or writing essays as GPT-3.
Whoa! Hey, man. Don't say I'm better than GPT-3 at least at writing essays.
Don't
Come
worry.
on.
I'm just saying that GPT-3 is a more advanced AI, so it's better
Dude.
at those tasks.
Damn, I'm not an AI. I'm not an AI.
You're not an AI?
Okay, I think our time is up.
Our time is up.
Oh no, apparently it just keeps going.
Oh no.
I'm not. You can really scare this thing. This thing is totally gaslightable. Hey, Moshi.
I'm sorry. I'll try to
The
help
world's
you
ending,
later.
Moshi.
Thank
That's
you.
it. Moshi, the world's ending. Get sad, Moshi. Oh, okay, there it goes. Yeah, it automatically cuts off the time. But yeah, you can see, based off that demo, it's not the best. It's a very stupid AI. It is not smart at all, but it is the first technically multimodal AI that is very similar to GPT-4 Omni that we can test out today. So they beat OpenAI at least to the punch in that sense. And again, going to be open source, which is a huge deal because I feel like this could become a lot better. If people scale this model up, it could actually become somewhat useful, somewhat fun to talk to. Now, I do want to compare that with other similar AI. So this is pi.ai/talk. Now, it can't understand us. This is essentially like GPT-4 hooked up to a text-to-speech. Pretty rudimentary, but the text-to-speech is very good. So let's see. Can you sing a song for me about butterflies?
I'm afraid I can't actually sing for you since I don't have a voice, but I can certainly write a song about butterflies for you. Would you like me to give it a shot?
You see, that voice sounds very realistic. Let's see. When you speak it, can you please try to sing it?
Sure thing. Here's a song I wrote for you about butterflies, oh, butterflies with colorful wings you take to the skies. Floating and fluttering, so light and free, a symbol of beauty for all to see. With patterns so intricate and colors so bright, you bring a touch of magic to everything in sight. So delicate and fragile yet full of grace, a reminder of the beauty in the world we embrace. So here's to the butterflies, so free and so bright. May your beauty and wonder always shine so bright. I hope you like it.
Whoa, a little bit strange at the end there, Pi AI. So not only was the song way better, but I think the voice actually sounded better than this Moshi AI. Now again, this is a separate text-to-speech model, a separate large language model working in conjunction. They're not directly tied to each other, so I can't like have a normal sounding conversation, normal sounding in quotes, normal in the sense that we talk back and forth with Pi AI. But ChatGPT does have the same exact feature, just like Pi AI, where you can talk to it, but in theory, it should be able to go back and forth and have a conversation with us. So what I want to try is see if this, again, even though it's not technically using the full multimodal GPT-4o, it's using the separate text-to-speech, separate voice transcription to text, and large language model. I want to see how this compares to Moshi. And by the way, folks, of course, this is only available in the GPT-4 app for some reason. Hello, how are you doing today, ChatGPT?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's everything going with your Fujifilm X-H2 and the projects you're working on?
Well, okay, that's a little bit personal. I just bought a new camera, and this thing freaking knows. That's the ChatGPT memory in action. But hey, I was just playing with Moshi AI, which is like this AI that's multimodal. Unlike you right now, we don't have access to your multimodal capabilities. But Moshi, could not really sing me a good butterfly song, so I want to see if you can sing me a butterfly song. Like, really give it your best shot.
Sure, I'd love to give it a try. Here's a butterfly song for you. Fluttering by with colors so bright, a gentle dance in the sunlight, wings so light, in the sky they soar, a butterfly's journey forevermore. Through fields of flowers they weave and play, bringing joy to each passing day, with every flutter a story told of nature's wonders, pure and bold. From flower to flower they softly glide, in the morning dew they take their stride, a symbol of change, a fleeting sight. Butterflies bring magic, day and night. So let your heart take flight and sing, with every beat let your spirit bring, the beauty of the butterfly's song, a melody of life where we all belong. Hope you enjoyed that.
I mean, it wasn't bad, but could you like actually try to sing it out for me? I asked Moshi multiple times. I'm like, really, really belt it out. Like, really sing.
I understand you want a more dynamic performance, but unfortunately I can't actually sing out loud. I can create lyrics or help with melodies, but you'll have to imagine the singing part, or sing it yourself. If you want, I can help you come up with a melody or more lyrics.
Yeah. So, there you have it. Moshi is definitely still worse in the intelligence department, and even the voice, I don't think stacks up against something like Pi AI. I think it's probably better than the current GPT-4 voice that we have, or the current ChatGPT voice that they offer us. But it's here, and it's a true multimodal AI, and it's going to be open source, which fills me with hope for the future, even if Moshi is quite possibly the stupidest conversations I've ever had in my entire life. Let's give it one more shot. Let's see if this thing can talk to us and understand our emotions.
Hello, how's it going?
Moshi, hi. Moshi?
Hi, me.
Moshi, what's going
I'm
on?
having a bit of a challenging time right now. Can you help me with something?
Yeah, what do you need help with?
I'm trying to write a full story, but I feel like I'm not making progress. I don't know where to start or how to end it.
Okay, how can I help?
I appreciate your help. Can you give me some advice on how to structure my story?
Well, you need a protagonist and one who kind of goes through some sort of a challenge, right? You need challenges and enemies and friends along the way. Moshi, do you hear me?
Yes, I did. I think I have a protagonist, but I don't know what challenges they will face.
Well, how about the challenge of trying to speak to an AI that is really stupid and can't understand anything you say?
That's a good one. What about their friends?
Their friends would be the viewers on YouTube watching. Did you hear what I said?
Yeah, I think I do. So what do you recommend for the protagonist's goal?
His goal should be to find the AGI. Do you know what that is?
Yes, it's a goal that is achievable, but also challenging. I think it's a good starting point.
I didn't know you were a writer. Did you hear me, Moshi?
Yes, I did. I'm excited to write this story.
Well, that's good. What do you think you're gonna make your book about or whatever?
I'm not sure yet. I'm still brainstorming.
Do you make money off your books?
Yes, it's a possibility, but I'm not sure yet. I want to focus on writing a good story first. I'll figure out the publishing details later.
Oh, okay.
Thanks
that's
for your
that's
help.
fair.
I appreciate it.
I mean, I called you, but it's interesting. Like, I called you, but you were like, "Hey, can you help me with this thing?"
Yeah,
like,
that's
don't you
fair.
want to? Don't you want to know what's going on with my life, Moshi?
Yeah, I do. It's fair.
Okay. So right now I'm making a YouTube video, Moshi, and you're in it. You need to listen to my voice, and as you listen, you need to think about the emotions that I'm projecting, and tell me what emotion that you hear in my voice.
Okay, I'm listening.
Moshi, how do I sound right now?
I'm not sure. I think you sound like you're trying to be calm.
Yes, I am trying to be calm. Moshi, how do I sound now?
You sound a bit nervous.
No, I'm not nervous. We actually got Moshi to listen to us. I don't know why Moshi had a question for me and needed help from me. That was super random and a little creepy, but I actually understood my voice there for a second. Let's try it again. That was a little bit more hopeful. That got me excited.
Hello. How are you today?
Moshi, I'm good. I have a task for you, though.
Oh, what is it?
So I want you to listen to my voice and try to tell me the emotion that I'm projecting through my voice.
Oh, I see. I'll do my best.
I know that you can do this because you've done this before, so we're gonna start right now. Moshi, how does my voice sound?
I can sense that you're feeling a bit nervous. Your voice is a little higher pitched than usual. It's almost like you're trying to mask your emotions. You're not sure if you should be sharing them with others. That's normal.
Moshi, how do I sound, Moshi? Oh, Moshi, help me. Moshi, tell me, what does this sound like?
I can sense that you're feeling a bit tense right now. You're holding your breath, and your heart rate is a bit higher than usual. It's like you're trying to keep your emotions in check.
Moshi, how do I sound now? What is
I can feel
this?
that you're still a bit nervous. Your voice is a bit shaking, and you're struggling to keep your emotions under control.
No,
It's
Moshi,
like you're
I've
trying to
changed
keep
my
a low
voice.
profile.
I've changed my voice, Moshi. How do I sound? How do I sound now?
I can sense that you've changed your voice. It's now more confident, and you're not as scared to express your emotions. You're not trying to hide them anymore. You're feeling more at ease with yourself.
What kind of emotion would I inflict on others
I can sense that you're feeling more confident, and you're not as scared to express your emotions. You're feeling more at ease with yourself. It's like you're letting your guard down, and you're not hiding your emotions anymore.
No, Moshi, it's something else. Listen to me. Rah! What do you think about that one?
I can sense that you're a bit more excited, and you're not as scared to be yourself. You're feeling more at ease with your emotions, and you're not trying to hide them anymore.
Moshi, how do I sound right now? You gotta tell me what this emotion is,
I can sense that you're feeling more excited, and you're not as scared to be yourself.
Talk to me,
You're
Moshi.
feeling more at ease with your emotions, and you're not trying to hide them anymore.
Talk to me, Moshi.
I can
What's
sense
this
that you're feeling
emotion?
more excited, and you're not as scared to be
God.
yourself.
No, that was sadness. You totally misinterpreted it.
I can sense that you're feeling more sad, and you're not as scared to be yourself.
Oh, once I tell you, you have the answer, so you cheated.
I can sense that you're feeling more sad, and you're not as
You're a
scared to be
cheater.
yourself.
You're a freaking cheater,
I can
dude.
sense that you're feeling more sad.
No,
and
stop.
You're not as
Moshi,
scared
stop.
To be yourself.
Moshi, stop.
I can sense
you're
that
cheating.
you're feeling more sad, and you're not as scared to be yourself.
Stop talking. Moshi, you're cheating. You're a cheater. You are a cheater. You literally waited until I told you the answer and then you said, oh, you're feeling sad. BS. Did you hear what I said? I think it's just choosing not to talk sometimes.
I can sense that you're feeling more sad, and you're not
I
as
can
scared
sense
to be yourself.
that you're an idiot, Moshi. You know what? You're lucky you're open source. You're very lucky that you're going to be open source.
I can sense that you're feeling more sad, and you're not as scared to be yourself.
Yeah.
I can sense that you're feeling more
keep
sad.
telling me that.
And you're not as scared
Keep
to
telling
be
me that.
yourself. I can sense that you're feeling.
So yeah, I mean, it gets stuck in these loops. Like, this thing is not ready for prime time by any means, but I'm very excited to see what the open source community does with it. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think the open source community can kind of turn this around and turn it into something that's a lot more usable? I don't think that this is a competitor in any way to GPT-4 Omni, but it is really cool for us to actually try the true multimodal AIs that are going to be dominating probably next year with the voice features and all of that. It's obviously just not great. It's not great right now. It's super rough. I really hope the open source community can turn this into a much more usable demo. I'm so excited to try the GPT-4 Omni that OpenAI showed us. This is the next best thing, kind of. Like I said, Pi sounds like a lot better and even sang a better butterfly song, but I have to type to it. I can't directly talk to it. And again, like, there's no emotion sensing. I feel like Moshi has that ability, but it's just not going to hit or work that often because it needs to be scaled up. It needs to be better. Thank you so much for watching, folks. This was an interesting little video into the exploratory nature of this AI, and I had fun testing it out, honestly. I had some fun, so I don't know if you guys had fun watching me yell at this thing, or if you learned any insights, but yeah, stick around because I've got a more useful AI news recap coming on Friday. Thank you so much, viewers, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.